secretaries and everything. I cannot guarantee their honesty and competence at all times. Cabinet members, yes. Pero yung sa baba, yung procurement, yung bidding dyan. But as far as I can really, it malinis talaga to. At napag-usapan namin sa likod about the federal system. You know, my advice to you is maintain a federal system, a parliament, but be sure to have a president. Well, hindi na ako niyan. I'm disqualified, and by that time, I would no longer be here. But I can commit today to the Republic of the Philippines and its people. If you hurry up the federal system of government, and you can submit it to the Filipino people by the 4th, 5th year, kasi proseso yan. You call for a referendum, and after that, call for a presidential election, I will go. Sibat na ako. But you must have a president. You copy the France system.